Akhilesh Yadav, in the past few days while they are in alliance with the Congress party, has he made a sort of a dig at the contest that is going to unfold in Amethi? Because when Akhilesh Yadav was very specifically asked on whether Rahul Gandhi will contest Amethi, Akhilesh Yadav said, we see a big contest in Uttar Pradesh, the state that he has led as a chief minister. Amethi is where the suspense is. He was asked questions on Rahul Gandhi's, of course, his contemporary and alliance partner in the India bloc. And there he says that we see a big contest in Uttar Pradesh. Now, he doesn't directly name Rahul Gandhi, hasn't done that previously as well, but he has made SP's ambitions clear too. Listen.
अब तो आ गए हैं कन्नौज में, आपके दोस्त भी अमेठी से आने वाले हैं।
अरे सब आएंगे अब तो महफिल यूपी में ही सही नहीं, और इसलिए भी कि देखो ना बीजेपी वालों की भाषा क्या है। ये भाषा इसलिए है क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने कारोबारियों की मदद की। जब से इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड की बात आई है, बीजेपी का बैंड बज गया।
So that's what Akhilesh Yadav has said, and said that we'll see a big contest in Uttar Pradesh. So whether he's referring to Amethi or his own place in Kannauj, but he also said, "Sab aayenge ab to." Everyone will now come to Uttar Pradesh. Everyone wants to win a seat in Uttar Pradesh, but clearly the state of UP, that means, is going to now become the big issue. Big with remember, star candidates. The suspense remains about Amethi with regard to whether Rahul Gandhi will again be contesting, this time as a second seat from Wayanad and against Smriti Irani. But now with Akhilesh Yadav fighting from Kannauj, as our colleagues also are telling us, that Kannauj now has become a star seat. On one side, there is incumbent MP of the BJP, but not any Samajwadi Party leader, not even a nephew who was earlier announced, but Akhilesh Yadav himself has now jumped in the fray and will be deciding to take on the BJP. This is not, remember, as much about BJP, but the whole point to prove to the Bharatiya Janata Party that parties like Samajwadi Party that have a stronghold in Uttar Pradesh will continue to remember. Remember, Uttar Pradesh is one of the biggest seats. It's about 80 seats that comes in for the Lok Sabha. And therefore, because it's a big state, it's a high-stakes state, as much for Congress or Samajwadi Party, but for BJP, that has a stronghold presently in the state of Uttar Pradesh, which they'll want to maintain. Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav said, doesn't matter, Dimple Yadav lost this time, I'll be the one to jump in and take on the BJP. So as much about SP, but it will be a big question now for Akhilesh Yadav to win it. Listen in again to what Akhilesh Yadav said when the Amethi question was put to him, that now you are contesting from Kannauj. Will your friend, partner in the alliance, Rahul Gandhi, contest from Amethi?
अब तो आ गए हैं कन्नौज में, आपके दोस्त भी अमेठी से आने वाले हैं।
अरे सब आएंगे अब तो महफिल यूपी में ही सही नहीं, और इसलिए भी कि देखो ना बीजेपी वालों की भाषा क्या है। ये भाषा इसलिए है क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने कारोबारियों की मदद की। जब से इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड की बात आई है, बीजेपी का बैंड बज गया।
Samarth Srivastava is joining me for the latest on that. And Samarth, of course, tongue-in-cheek like usually, Akhilesh Yadav is known to speak on these issues. No names that he takes, but he does put out the message. But you tell me that 80 seats, this is the state that can actually change and swing the election either way, and sometimes can spring a surprise of a majority or can prove difficult for a clear party victory. This time with Akhilesh Yadav, what did he precisely mean when he made this mention over Amethi? Go ahead, Samarth.
Well, exactly. In the press conference, it was asked about Amethi, whether Rahul Gandhi will fight from there.
Now, because he, in a way, gave indications whether Rahul Gandhi will be coming or not. He was asked whether your friend, your brother will be coming here or not. That's to which Akhilesh responded and said, everyone will come to UP now. I don't think that could be a much of a dig. He, in a way, tried to say that Rahul Gandhi and other leaders will also come to be the Saffron Party. That's what Akhilesh Yadav meant in the press conference when he was asked, because he kept on attacking the BJP and the Prime Minister Modi about that particular row over Hindu-Muslim, that Subrata Pathak was also claiming India-Pakistan, that it could be India-Pakistan in Kannauj, to which Akhilesh responded. They have no answer about the paper leak, they have no answer about the unemployment, but they will take everything to India-Pakistan. a Hindu or Muslim. That's what Akhilesh Yadav mentioned in the press conference that he had outside the collector's office after filing his nomination papers. And now he's heading towards the Samajwadi Party office. He has entered inside where he will interact with the party leaders, and he can also have a public address about the nomination.
All right, so Samarth continues to be with us. Samarth, as we are looking at the visuals from Kannauj and also the mention of Amethi, this is going to be an important state with regard to how the elections pan out. Do tell us, because you've been traveling the state and you're getting us these views. Final point, what is the situation on the ground, the election campaigning that you see of BJP, SP and Congress? Briefly, go ahead, Samarth.
Well, exactly. The BJP, about the BJP, and Subrat Pathak is right there. He, firstly, offered prayers in the party office, and later he went to a temple, and thereafter he went for the nomination. Also, there is one particular public rally of the BJP where he will also be there along with UP Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya. Keshav Prasad Maurya also will be on Samajwadi Party. That it will only be about the Lotus Kannauj now, which will in a way, pregnant will roam around. The BJP will win from Kannauj. While if you talk about the Bahujana Samaj Party, there is not much roar about the BSP, at least in Kannauj. Mayawati is a Muslim candidate, because if you talk about the caste equation, then it's about the Brahmins, it's about the Muslims, it's about the Dalits. So Mayawati's positions are Muslim candidates from the BSP, but it has no much. It's not much mentioning out here, because it's a complete fight between the SP and the BJP, with Akhilesh Yadav coming in the place. We talk about Samajwadi Party. There was a particular name change from Kesh Prasad to Akhilesh Yadav, and finally it was decided after that local unit convinced Akhilesh Yadav to fight from here, and Akhilesh Yadav filed nominations there. And also when he spoke to the Samajwadi Party, he gave in question about Subrat Pathak. They were confident enough in saying that there is no competition between Akhilesh and Subrat. It's more of a competition between Akhilesh and PM Modi, because they are not seeing Subrat Pathak as a contender here, despite Subrat Pathak is one MP who defeated Dimple Yadav.
So it will of course be the focus on Kannauj now.